Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. Today we're going to be installing a theme on our WordPress website that we created before. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go over to Appearance and we're going to click the Themes tab on here. We're going to click Add New in the top left. And as you'll see, there's a selection of themes here that you can choose from. These ones are all free that you can choose, or there's a lot of good resources online that you can find lots of good themes that are a lot better than these, but they do cost money. My favorite's Theme Forest. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, that's just where I find the most of my themes from. So I already have a theme picked out that we're going to be using here, so what I'm going to do is click Upload Theme just above that and click Choose File. Over here we're going to navigate to the theme that I picked. So the theme that I'm going to be using for this website is called Uncode. It comes with a ton of different pre-built options. Again, I'm not sponsored by them or anything, it's just a super dope theme, that's all I can say. I've only used this one once before. There are a couple other themes that I use other than this one, but this one's been pretty sick. So once you have your theme installed, especially if you purchased your theme, it's going to ask you to add your license code. So make sure you have that handy for if you bought your theme. So for me, I got my theme from Theme Forest, so I'm just going to go to the Theme Forest website and that's where I'll be able to find the code to register my theme. Alright, once your theme is registered, lots of them come with a lot of default plugins that are basically necessary in order for the theme to work. So once you have the theme installed, you can head over to the required plugins section, and if you just click the top right here and select all of them, then in the bulk actions you can hit install and click apply, and that'll just install them all at once so you don't have to do them one at a time. Alright, once they're all in, it'll show these green messages here saying that they've been installed successfully. I am getting this notice here for Uncode Core, but as you'll see here, it also says Uncode Core was installed successfully, so I'll just exit that out. Alright, so once your plugins are all installed, you're going to need to activate them. So once again, go to your plugins tab, and in the top left, click this little box and select all of the plugins that you just installed, and under the bulk actions, click activate, and then click apply, and this will activate all the plugins that you just installed in one go. Alright, once your plugins are all activated, the next step is to import the demo content that comes with the theme. This will basically make the theme look like it did in the preview version that you saw of your theme. So lots of them are going to require a plugin in order for you to do this. We did just install the plugin, so we're going to go over to the import demo tab. If there is no import demo tab, you can check over here in the left under settings or under appearance, and there might be a install demo data there. So we're going to import the demo data and we're going to click confirm. And don't be alarmed if this takes a long time. Like, I've had it take as long as half an hour, even an hour. So just leave the tab up and go do something else and come back to it. Alright guys, so once the demo import is complete, we can go over to our site name here. Don't worry, we'll change this in the future. And click visit site, and you'll see that our demo is up. Alright, so for this particular theme, once it loads up, it'll show you all the different demos that the theme comes available with. I believe the one that I'm going to use is this one, and I'm going to customize it with obviously my own colors and logos, and that's going to be the Young Flux website. And we're going to go over all of that in another video in the future, so thanks so much for watching guys. Have a good rest of the day. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and peace.